Good morning everyone. Welcome back to St. Joseph's Academy's online classes. Today we will discuss the topic vowels and consonants of chapter 2 part 2 subject English grammar. So let's start the class. So before taking the topic ahead, I would like to do a small revision of part 1. In part 1, we have studied that there are 5 vowels in English alphabets. And those 5 vowels are A, E, I, O and U. These vowels are of two types, long vowels and short vowels. Vowels which we pronounce for a longer period, that is called longer vowels, and vowels which we speak quickly, we pronounce quickly, we call them short vowels. The letters other than A, E, I, O, U are called consonants. In English alphabet, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Now let's start the exercises. Our first exercise is exercise A. See the following pictures, fill in the blanks with vowels. This exercise we will do in the book strings. The first picture is of car. C and R is written and there is a blank space in the middle. We have to fill in these blank spaces correct vowels. So car is C-A-R, so we will write A in the middle, the blank yellow space. The second picture is of pen, so we will write E, P-E-N, pen. Third picture is rat, it will be R-A-T, rat. Fourth picture is of cat, so it will be C-A-T, cat. In the second row, the first picture is H-A-T, hat. Second picture is E-G-G, egg. Third picture is F-A-N, fan. And fourth picture is C-U-P, cup. In the third row, the first picture is ant and the spelling will be A-N-T, ant. Second picture is sun, so we will write U in the blank space and it will become S-U-N, sun. Then B-U as bus, and the last picture is toy, T-O-Y, toy. Now the first picture is of ball, so the blank space we will write O, ball, O, B-O-W-L, ball. Then moon, so in moon we will write double O. It will become moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Then B-O-O-K, book, D-O-O-R, door, C-H-A-I-R, chair. In this we have used two different vowels. In the next picture is clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Then bread. Again we have used two different vowels, E and A. Stick. We have used single vowel I and it became stick. In this exercise, we have to circle the vowels and underline the consonants. I have already done this for you. Just let's go through the exercise. As you already know, A, E, I, O and U are vowels and remaining all are consonants. So the first letter is E, it's a vowel, so we have circled it. In the second line, second alphabet, A is vowel, so we have circled it. In the third row, third word, alphabet I is vowel, so we have circled it. In the fourth row, alphabet U is vowel, so we have circled it. In the last row, the last word, last alphabet O is vowel, so we have circled it. After circling all these 5 words, remaining all the words we will underline as these are consonants. In this exercise, look at each picture, write V if its name starts with a vowel, write C if its name starts with a consonant. So, if the name starts with A, E, I, O, U means vowel, any of the vowel, then we will write V. But if the name of the picture starts from any other name, any other alphabet, it will be a consonant, so we will write C. So ice cream starts with I and I is a vowel, so we will write V. Rose starts with R, so it's a consonant, we have written C. Umbrella, again a vowel, U, so we have written V. Table, a consonant, T is a consonant, so we have written C. Apple starts with A is a vowel, so we have written V. Number 6 is a cake. C is a consonant, so we have written C. 7th picture is of octopus, O is the vowel, so we have written V. 8th picture is of pigeon, P is a consonant, so we have written C. Then 9th picture is of elephant, E is a vowel, so we have written V. 10th picture is of mango. Mango starts with M, so this is a consonant and we have written C. Picture 11 is of a butterfly. B is a consonant, so we have written C. And 12th picture is of sheep. S is a consonant, so we have written C. This is the time for home assignment. Our video ends here. I hope you have understood the concept well. So we have to practice all the exercises we have done in the class nicely. You have to practice pronouncing all the words given in today's video. You have to complete all the exercises. And what are those exercises? A, B and C in book only. We will not do any of this work in copy. We will do in book only. If you want to understand anything or the pronunciation of any word again, just watch the video again. Thank you. So this is it for today. Go through the video again and again. Pronounce and practice the words. Complete all the work in your book. Take care of your health. Wash your hands. Wear mask. Don't go out unnecessarily and study well. We will meet again in the third part of video. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. See you soon.